Be the true MVP of the big game with the ultimate watch party spread. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'll show you how to level up your game day eats with a cheesy lasagna dip recipe that's perfect for any size gathering. Dip, dip, hooray! To get started, preheat the oven to 425 degrees. On the stove, heat an 8-inch cast iron skillet over medium heat. Cook 9 ounces of ground Italian pork sausage for 5 to 6 minutes or until brown, stirring occasionally to break the sausage into small crumbles. Then, drain the sausage on paper towels and set aside. Remove the skillet from heat and wipe clean. Next, evenly spread 3/4 cup of Gustare Vita tomato basil pasta sauce on the bottom of the same skillet. This pasta sauce is rich in lycopene, an antioxidant with big heart health benefits, and has 50% less sodium compared to Prego and Barilla pasta sauces. Sprinkle with 1 tablespoon of Hy-Vee Italian seasoning and 2 teaspoons of Hy-Vee garlic powder. Top this with layers of the cooked sausage, a 1/4 cup of Hy-Vee Shortcuts diced bell peppers, a handful of baby spinach torn into pieces, a 1/2 cup of Belgioso whole milk ricotta cheese, and a 1/2 cup of Belgioso fresh mozzarella cheese pearls. Drizzle with a 1/4 cup of additional pasta sauce and 3/4 cup of freshly shredded Parmesan cheese. Bake the skillet for 15 to 20 minutes or until golden brown and bubbly. Once it's rested, garnish with thinly sliced fresh basil and serve to party guests with your favorite veggies or olive oil crostinis. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. And for more tips to keep you and your family healthy, follow us on Facebook or Instagram at Hy-Vee Dietitians.